Alright, welcome back to Henry's Hot Rod Garage. The video you're about to watch is the 6.4 Hemi build. Me and my wife busting tail getting that done. There's a whole lot of measuring and there's a whole lot of clearance checking in engine building. It can be a boring process. I sped the videos up. Going to keep on doing that until we're done with it. And then when we're done with it, I'm going to put together a tech video on it and get more details. I done clearance checks with bore gauge, mics, and plastic gauge. Kind of done for the average guy that don't have bore gauges and mics and to give him an idea how to figure out his clearances. I done race clearances on this engine, not a street clearance. There is a difference. I will explain that in the videos to come, so you don't think that you can use them kind of clearances on running a street engine that is mainly for just a daily driver. I am going to, like I said, put a video up when I get the engine build done. Probably after I get all this stuff done for the No Name Nationals, I'll put that video up after we went to the No Name Nationals. But in order to get there, we got to have 500 subscribers. So if you like our content, please hit subscribe. Okay? I appreciate all those that have subscribed. Couldn't do it without you. And I hope you enjoy the videos. So here's your video.
change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous?